Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a mug declutter and a general organization and declutter of my coffee station and coffee cabinet in my kitchen. So here's an overview of what it looked like before. It really wasn't that bad, but I knew I had some products in here that were old that I needed to get rid of, and I just wanted to do a general reorganization and make the stuff that I grab for frequently more accessible. So of course, I'm doing this KonMari style and going to pull everything out, and then I'm going to just give the cabinet a quick clean with my vacuum and wipe it down. I also had some other mugs in a different spot in my house, so I was pulling all those out as well. I know my mug collection is pretty extra. However, I've seen some people here on YouTube that are way worse than me, so I don't actually feel that bad. So basically, I just went through all my mugs and pulled out anything I don't find myself reaching for. Some of these mugs were gifts, and if anyone who gave them to me is watching, I'm sorry, I love you, but I gotta declutter some mugs. Next, I'm just sorting through a bunch of my teas. I had some that were really old that I knew I could get rid of. I bought this tea organizer on Amazon a while ago and I forgot I had it. So I'm just putting a selection of teas that I reach for frequently in here. And then any extra teas that didn't fit in here, I'm just putting in this little dollar store container. Next, I am just refilling my coffee canister. I just bought new coffee and had ran out of my old coffee. Then I'm just using one of my Pyrex bowls here and am going to place all my K-cups in here. I don't buy a lot of K-cups because I think they're pretty wasteful. Then I'm using a couple more dollar store bins here to organize some cocoa packets, my tea diffusers, and my reusable K-cups. Then I just started to organize everything back into my cupboard. Of course, I ended up moving things around multiple times. I'm using the top shelf for all my seasonal mugs that I'm currently not using, and just trying to focus on putting anything that I don't reach for frequently up on the top shelf. I also really needed to give my Keurig a good cleaning, so I'm going to run some extra hot water and vinegar through it to try to descale it a little bit. And then I just like to soak and clean all the different parts and pieces. And here's a look at my reorganized coffee cupboard. It feels much more organized and accessible than it was before. A couple of my mugs were in the dishwasher when I filmed this, so I made sure there was enough room for them. And then I'm going to treat myself to a nice cup of coffee. I'm going to use my cute bunny mug I just picked up from HomeGoods, which you may have seen in my HomeGoods haul. I just bought a brand new creamer from Aldi. This one is Danish butter cookie, and it seriously tastes just like those butter cookies that come in those tins that I feel like everyone's grandmas have. I had never seen this one at Aldi before, and I highly suggest it if you see it there. And that is going to be it for this video. If you're still watching, that means you enjoyed it, so please give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe if you enjoy lifestyle type of videos like this one.